Technology may seem like the ultimate solution, but it can conceal a perilous truth. Imagine applying for a job and being filtered out not for lack of qualifications, but due to hidden biases in recruitment software. This isn't just a glitch, it's a glaring warning sign of a deeper issue. As companies rush to digitize, they often overlook a critical risk: data bias. It lurks within algorithms, quietly shaping decisions in ways that can exclude you. Consider the last time you used a recommendation system. Those suggestions weren't random, they were influenced by data patterns that might not represent you. If you don't fit the mold, you risk being overlooked, allowing the system to perpetuate bias. Now, think about a healthcare app recommending treatments based on skewed historical data. If that data reflects only one demographic, what happens to everyone else? You could receive inadequate care without even realizing it. As we accelerate into digital transformation, we must confront these urgent risks. Many organizations believe they are innovating, but they might be reinforcing harmful biases. Ignoring this could lead to serious consequences. Picture yourself in a meeting filled with excitement over the latest AI project. But beneath that enthusiasm lies a critical question: are they aware of the hidden dangers? In our increasing reliance on technology, we must shine a light on the shadows of data bias. It's not just about adopting digital tools, it's about ensuring fairness and equity. So, what can you do? Start questioning the data you rely on. Collaborate with diverse teams and demand transparency in algorithm development. In this rapidly evolving landscape, vigilance is essential. The hidden dangers of data bias are not just a tech issue, they're a societal crisis. As you reflect on your role in this digital age, ask yourself, are you ready to drive change, or will you ignore these critical warning signs? The choice is urgent and yours to make. Did you know your data might be quietly undermining your business? While many organizations eagerly dive into digital transformation, hidden dangers often lurk beneath the surface, frequently stemming from data bias in AI-driven projects. Imagine investing heavily in a cutting-edge AI system, only to discover it's making decisions that hurt your profits. The warning signs are there, but can you recognize them? Most people can't. As algorithms take charge, the risk of bias increases, distorting data and jeopardizing your goals. If your team relies on flawed data, what does that mean for your strategic decisions? The stakes are higher than many realize. Now, picture a company launching a new product, confident in their data-driven insights. But when sales plummet, they scramble to figure out what went wrong. Their AI was trained on biased data, leading to costly mistakes. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. Businesses across various industries are grappling with similar challenges, often unaware of the risks involved. The data may seem straightforward, but hidden biases can tell a different story. Imagine a hospital using AI to prioritize patient care. If that system is biased, certain demographics might receive less attention. Lives are at risk, yet decision-makers trust the data without question. This is where the real danger lies. So, what can you do to safeguard your organization? Start by questioning your data sources. Who collected this data? How reliable is it? How reliable? The answers might surprise you. It's essential to establish checks and balances to identify biases before they create chaos. Including diverse perspectives during data Analysis can help uncover hidden flaws. As we wrap up, consider this: would you rather rely on potentially flawed data or take the time to ensure its accuracy? Your organization's future may depend on that choice. If you found this information helpful, subscribe for more insights into the unseen risks in today's digital landscape. Your awareness could be the key to achieving sustainable success. Imagine a world where algorithms dictate your choices based on flawed data. While digital transformation is reshaping industries, have you considered the hidden dangers that accompany it? Data bias in a systems isn't merely a technical issue, it can significantly impact lives. Picture this: you apply for a job, and a machine decides your fate based on biased data from the past. You are left wondering, why did they get that job? The truth is, millions are affected by decisions made without human input, all due to flawed data. What causes this bias? It starts with the datasets used to train a models. If those datasets reflect past prejudices or are incomplete, the algorithms will repeat those mistakes. You might think your favorite app is making you smarter, but what if it's just reinforcing stereotypes? Let's take a relatable example: online shopping. You search for a pair of shoes, and suddenly you're bombarded with ads for items that don't match your style. That's the algorithm misinterpreting your data. Frustrating, right? Now, imagine if this misinterpretation extends beyond shopping and impacts critical areas like healthcare or criminal justice. This is where it gets serious. Bias in A can lead to discrimination in vital areas like loan approvals or sentencing. They discriminate It's not just about missing out on shoes. These biases can have life-altering consequences. So, what can we do? First, we need to demand transparency from companies. Ask questions.